On 15th August 1947, India gained independence from the British colonial, and 7 decades later, people are still unaware of certain stories that shed new light on what happened. There are shocking truths that add an interesting layer of detail to the tales we have heard about in country over the years. Before we begin, click the subscribe button if you haven't and hit the bell icon to be a part of our notification squad. Today, on this occasion of Independence Day, we present you 5 shocking facts about India's independence. We may think we know everything there is to know about India's independence, but do we really? Number 5. Gandhi wanted the Congress party to be disbanded. One of the strong names in the political past and present of the country, the Congress party would not have existed today if Mahatma Gandhi was not assassinated. Gandhi actually wanted to dissolve the party after independence, as he believed that the Indian National Congress has achieved its aim and outlived its purpose. On the eve of his assassination, he had already drafted a resolution about this. Number 4. Jawaharlal Nehru was not elected first Prime Minister. Actually, it was Sardar Patel who won the election with majority votes. Jawaharlal Nehru did not want a position that placed him second in command. Since Gandhi was confident in Nehru and his skill in running the nation, he was declared the first Prime Minister of India. The following years saw a confident leader who was even featured in Vogue magazine for his impeccable style. Number 3. Jammu and Kashmir would have been a part of Pakistan. Shocking but truth. Records state that Pakistan sent a group of tribesmen into state of Jammu and Kashmir to attack and conquer it in 1947. Lord Mountbatten also stated had Pakistan been a little patient and state would have eventually gone to them. His squad reads, by sending the irregular troops into the state, Pakistan spoiled the whole things. Number 2. The significance of the date. India shared its Independence Day with North Korea, South Korea, Bahrain and Republic of Congo. Also 15 August was chosen as the day of independence for India by Louis Mountbatten, the last viceroy of India. He picked the particular date because it was the same date in 1945 that Japan has surrendered to the Allied forces at the end of the World War II. Number 1. A note about revolutionaries. Indian socialist and revolutionary Bhagat Singh was a great thinker and philosopher and spoke in English, French, Swedish and Arabic fluently. Some people believe that Mahatma Gandhi could have stopped Bhagat Singh hanging after Singh committed act of violence against the British in the pursuit of freedom. The famous slogan Inqilab Zindabad, who raised by Batukeshwar Dutt, an Indian revolutionary who beside Bhagat Singh during the bombing of Legislative Assembly in Delhi on 8 April 1929. Many revolutionaries lost their lives in struggle for freedom from British rule. They raised a noise that turned into a movement and the spirit of which is celebrated every year since on 15 August. So these were the 5 shocking facts about India's independence you should know about. For all of us at Top 5s, indeed, we wish you all a very happy 74th independence. Beyond all the flaws, India is still a great country and we should always be proud of it. Thank you so much for watching. Write it down in the comment section if you have some idea for our channel, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button and watch the previous work. We know you will love to.